Welcome friends, this is the Lambretta air filter. The fitment of air filter will be like this. This is the air filter holder. This one is for securing the air filter to the holder. Basically, the construction of air filter of Lambretta will be same. The mesh design on this portion will be little different. When you have a look of inside of this will, the inside portion will look like this. For fitment of filter, see here is the sealing is provided. This is the rubber one and this one is closed. See, this is the holder. The construction of holder is like this. Place the shaft. So this is for locking. See, half cut is provided here. So this will go exactly like this. So it won't move. After that, place through that hole. This is the hose. The hose will be connected here. Okay, will be like this. In any vehicle, the air filter plays very important role. Why? Because once the air filter is choked, basically what happens, the air which is entering to the engine, that air volume will be reduced. Once the air volume is reduced, there will be a form of rich mixture. Why? Because there is no proper combustion. The air and the fuel mixture which is going to the engine must be balanced. If air is less, fuel is more, there will be unburnt fuel which leads to the reduced fuel economy, misfiring, unusual engine sounds, and ultimately the air filter also appears dirty, and finally you are reducing the horsepower of your engine. If black smoke is coming from the engine, that means there is something serious problem with the engine. One of the causes of smell of petrol when starting the scooter is due to rich mixture formation. Changing the air filter, that means which is fully clogged, will definitely improve the performance of the scooter. If sufficient amount of air is not being supplied to the engine, ultimately there will be a stress on the engine. Point to be noted in the air filter is this nut has to be fully tightened, and you must check the sealing of this rubber. This must be in position. Otherwise what happens, the air will enter through this point, the dust will get inside the combustion chamber through this pipe. So please make sure this rubber ring is in position. The air must only enter through the filter only. This must be fully tightened. Why? Because the scooter is subjected to vibration, so it should not be loosened up. There should not be any play in the filter. It will be better to change the air filter at every 30,000 miles. Approximately 30,000 miles are equal to 48,280 kilometers. Once the air filter is removed from the carburetor and you are running the vehicle, keeping everything in condition, the scooter will go very fast. Why? Because there is no restriction of air to the engine. Once the engine is fully tuned, the engine will go very fast. But the disadvantage is that if you continue the running engine without the air filter, the dust will go inside the engine, will enter to the combustion chamber, and there may be a scoring on the cylinder liner. So it is always advisable and it is always very best to run the engine with the air filter only. Two more points which are dangerous concerning with the air filter is the fuel wastage will corrode the engine, and the second point is contaminants which are present will impact the air fuel mixture. I hope it is useful. Let us meet again.